So let's open up the box. Inside. Let's look and see. Oops, you don't need to see that. But this is what we're looking at. So let's get to opening this nicely. £64GB gold. So what do we get inside? These chargery things, I don't know what that is. And the lightning cable. I really don't know what that is. But I'm sure we don't need them anyway. And that same thing, it's probably got all the information in that nobody ever reads, and the stickers that nobody ever uses. So here it is. Shall I take the film off? I don't really want to. Anyway, let's hold on. Let's see what's happening. So let's have a look and see. Okay, so let me get this set up and I'll come right back to you. That didn't work. I thought I was going to restore it from my backup, but because the software on this is old, so I have to set up as a new iPad. Let me just do that. It's gold, by the way. Really? A few minutes. I wonder how long it's going to take. So anyway, I got it personalised. I shouldn't have, but I just can't help it. Oh, what's going on here? Let's say, don't use iCloud. Don't use iCloud. Yeah. Next. Touch ID. That's quite interesting, isn't it? Might have to take this off. I didn't want to, but I have to now. Use your fingerprint in place of your passcode or Apple ID. Okay, let's do it. Start by placing your thumb on the home button. Lift and rest your finger on the home button repeatedly. How many times do you have to do it? Oh, forget that. That finally did it, so now I've got to create a passcode. Excuse me. Touch ID for App Store. Yeah. Use Siri. Don't send diagnostics. Welcome to your iPad. Sorry, all the lights in the way. Welcome to your iPad. Get started. Let's get started. And here we have all the things. And I think already it probably needs a software update. But here it is anyway. I'm going to sync it, back it up to my old iPad, which is here ironically. Actually, let's take it out of the case. Big difference? Not really. In size and stuff like that. Is it a bit thinner? I don't know. One's silver, one is gold. I do like the look of the gold. Got them both personalised, as you can see. Can't help that. But let's have a look at the display. Let's see then if we can compare something. Let's put it this way. Let's line them up and see if they're actually quicker. So let's see, get into the App Store. Quicker. Need some brightness going on up here. Does it look a lot brighter? Not now. Let's see if we click on King's Colour. Oh, who's calling me now? See how quickly they get to settings. Much faster. What about calendar? Slightly faster again. How about iTunes? Not loading here. We'll see. Putting on some text now. And is it clearer? I think here it's a bit thinner, a bit more streamlined, and here's not so much. But do they look that different? Not really. You may have noticed that my old iPad was in this case. I bought this in Hong Kong in the airport. I loved it a lot, but I've had it a year and this bit is broken. And this bit is broken here also. I don't even know how that broke. That broke when I was trying to take it out, and then I did glue it back together and it never quite went back. It's actually quite filthy now. But it still works. And it still protects it because it's kept it really nice and clear. So, I ordered another one. Because you want a new one with a new product, wouldn't you? By the way, it's the Oiko by Ozaki. It's a lovely case. And let's compare these side by side now. Old and new. The real difference is inside. You can see how filthy it had become. Look at the difference. It's almost beige. Deary me. So I can put the new one inside here. And never have to worry about it getting dirty again. So there they are. This one is being sold to my sister. I am keeping this one. And there we are.